Parang meron ka ditong gustong baragin and for some reason, I don't know, I can't describe. There's a sense of longingness, there's a sense of one thing, there's a sense of sadness, one thing, longingness. But there's this high wall right here, like it's being blocked. Like you cannot be able to budge this wall here, no matter what you do. And it makes you feel sad. It makes you feel long more for this. For some reason, I don't know why it's leaving that message that this could possibly be a sad story from here. Oh, are you okay, babe? Are you okay? Virtual hug for you because I'm feeling your energy. You're sad. Okay, let's see. Let's figure it out together. Alright? This is a very, very sad energy I'm getting from you guys. Okay, so hey there mga my loves collective. Maraming maraming salamat sa patuloy at wala po ninyong sawa na pagsuporta sa akin dito no, sa channel na ito at pati din sa The High Priestess and sa All About Taurus. So maraming maraming salamat no. So yun nga, wala tayong gender dito. Babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome here. New subscribers, by the way, my name is Yan. Tuloy-tuloy po kayo here no. So yeah, I'm sensing a very sad energy, no, sipping in from you guys, no. So this is you. You could be thinking here of a particular person. This is too personal. This is too personal here. So it might not resonate to each and every one of you, but itutuloy pa rin natin tong reading na to, no? Kasi meron tayong nakukuha ritong mensahe na maaring meant to hear ng ating mga viewers right here. So there's this Six of Cups energy, Five of Cups, Queen of Cups, that right at the center of this reading. So you know what I'm sensing from this one? That's why I mentioned this is quite personal here. Because sa gitna ng reading na ito, nagsistand out ang death and this is giving me the vibe that this is a loss of someone, departed loved ones ninyo. Someone close to you, someone close to your heart, which who is no longer here, okay? Which is not here no anymore. So whatever the case may be, I do see you right here. You feel so sad about this person here, no? Whoever this energy is, you are showing as the Queen of Cups energy. You love this person so much. Okay? This could be your mom, your dad, your lola right here, your asawa, your husband, your wife, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your daughter, your son. Okay? So whoever these energies are could be your pet as well. Someone you really treasure, someone that you love. You're reminiscing, no, yung mga memories mo with this energies right here. Parang sinasabi mo sa akin dito, mas okay sana kung nandito ka eh. Mas kaya ko pag nandito ka eh. Tingin ko mas malalampasan ko pag nandito ka eh. Parang ikaw 'to 'no, na nakikita ko rito that you're still communicating. It's continuous. You're talking to this person here 'no, especially if you are alone. Like, kahit nagsusuklay ka in front of mirror, okey, nasa banyo ka 'no, habang naliligo, or this is you, you're eating 'no, you're just all alone by yourself sa kwarto mo, or sometimes 'no, kapag mag-isa ka 'no, you're talking with this person here, parang this is you 'no, na kahit wala na siya physically, kahit hindi mo na siya nakakasama physically, kinukuwento mo pa rin lahat sa kanya. "Alam mo ba ngayong araw na 'to pinagalitan ako, eh. Alam ba ngayong araw na 'to grabe yung pinagdaanan ko kanina sa traffic." Gano'n 'no. You're 'no, you're still communicating with these energies right here 'no. Wala kang nare-receive na sagot, wala kang nare-receive na kahit na anong communication 'no, na galing sa kanila. Pero, okey, it makes you really feel happy 'no, parang gumagaan kahit papaano yung pakiramdam mo 'no, na parang kinakausap mo pa rin sila rito kung sino man 'to sa buhay mo. Parang let's say, "Alam mo ba kanina kumain kami, naalala kita kasi yung favorite food mo isa yun sa mga sinerve kanina dun sa restaurant, eh. Kung nandito ka sana nag-take-out ako dun, tutuwa ka favorite mo yun, eh." Yung gano'n 'no. So you keep on talking with this energies right here 'no, na wala na ngayon sa buhay mo. At ngayon meron kang pinagdadaanan, problema, pagsubok, challenges. Kaya ang nasasabi mo dito, Ten of Wands energy, Three of Wands right here. Noon 'pag may problema ako, Chariot card right here, tumatakbo ka, mamadali ka pumunta sa'kin, tulungan ako. Nagmamadali ka, lagi kang nandiyan, pupuntahan mo ko. Hindi ko na nare-receive yung mga mensaheng yun ngayon. And you know what guys, nakakuha ko rito na recently lang yung iba. Nagulat kayo 'no, sa pagkawala nitong individual na 'to for others of you. You tend to look at your conversations once again, kahit ilang beses mo nang binabasa. Yung iba matagal na 'tong wala sa buhay ninyo pero hindi mo binura yung mga usapan. Um, hindi mo rito parang, tinago 'no, yung mga sulat or whatever 'no. You keep on reading that, you keep on 'no, binubuhay mo yung memories nitong person na 'to sa buhay mo hanggang ngayon. "Paano 'yan, namomroblema ako ngayon, sabi mo pupuntahan mo ko, sabi mo dadating ka kapag may problema ako, 'pag tinext kita, 'pag tinawagan kita." Alam mo kaya ko naman, eh, you know, parang sinasabi mo rito, alam mo kaya ko naman, eh, Five of Swords energy, and there's this Four of Wands. Kaya ko naman lahat ng mga problemang darating, pero mas kaya ko 'pag nandito ka, eh. And then this is you, parang nagjo-joke ka na lang dito 'no, you're telling yourself 'no, na parang gusto mong sabihin rito sa person na 'to na parang, "Ang daya mo, eh, bakit nauna ka diyan?" Or parang, "Ang daya mo kasi sabi mo sabay natin gagawin yung mga bagay." Or gusto mo na makita ako na 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 magawa ko 'tong bagay na 'to. Meron akong nakikita rito na parang meron ritong bagay na puwedeng may usapan kayo na sabay niyong gagawin or gusto mo yung ipakita sa kanya or gusto mo yun na parang ma-witness niya o kung ano man yun 'no, but eh, naubos na yung oras nitong person na 'to and you cannot be able to show it 'no. Pero you know what, mga babes, let me just tell you something. Our departed loved ones, yung body lang nila yung nawala 'no, yung body lang nila yung na-lost natin, but their soul is still alive. So, kung ano man yung gusto mong ipakita sa kanila, gusto gusto mong ma-witness nila rito, they can be able to see that. They're watching you. You know when my grandmother died, I saw her. I saw her and she is wearing 'no, yung binili ko na pambahay niya 'no, that flowery shorts na binili ko sa kanya, terno yun. So whether you believe it or not, katawan lang yung nawala sa kanila. Pero ang kanila ritong soul ay nananatili 'no, na nabubuhay. Kaya kung nararamdaman mo na nasa tabi mo lang sila, na nararamdaman mo na ginagabayan at sinusubaybayan ka nila 'no, totoo yun. That is their energy, continuing loving you, continuing being by your side, and not leaving you for good. Others of you could be dreaming about this person here. You could be seeing this person here in your dreams and you could be wanting, pwede bang mas dalasan mo pa yung pakikipagkita mo sa akin sa panaginip ko kasi mas kumakalma ako pagka nakikita kita eh. Puwede bang kausapin mo pa ako more? 'Yan, 'no? You know what? Dreams are portals, 'no, para pagdugtungin ang magkaibang dimensyon. 3D world is this world right now, and the 5D world is where our dreams, no, and other things, no, not seen by naked eyes are going on and happening right here. But dreams are portals, no, connecting that two different dimensions right here. So, kung nakikita mo yung mga loved ones mong, departed loved ones mo sa dreams mo, and they're telling you something, that is really what they want to tell you. Yun talaga yung gusto nilang sabihin dito sa'yo. Okay? They're with you. They're cheering you up, wanting you to fight, no, sa life, no? And then the moment you wake up, you realize, no, panaginip lang pala yun, pero parang totoo. It is because it's real. The love that you've shared, kung sino man 'to sa buhay mo, nagpapatuloy. At mali ka, hindi mo lang sila naririnig pero sumasagot sila rito. Hindi mo lang sila nakikita pero nasa tabi mo sila, ginagabayan at sinusuportahan ka. It's true. If you believe that angels and guardians are real, if you believe God is real despite of what your religion is, then you should believe that your loved ones are still with you. Energies do not die. Energies do not die. I've witnessed this using my own eyes. So whatever the case may be, you're not alone in this journey here. May pinagdadaanan ka ngayon, namimiss mo tong tao na to, no? And then whoever this special person here in your life, they're with you. They're with you. Okay? For some reason, para ritong may magic, no? Na sometimes may mga problema ka na parang konti na lang yung gagawin mo 'no, kasi tinulungan ka na rin niya. Umeksena na rin siya rito, yes, it's possible. Because this person loves you, cares for you. Ang pagmamahal niya sa'yo is energy. Love is energy. It never dies. This person still gives you strength. For some reason, nagkakaroon ka bigla ng lakas ng loob, no? Pagtapos mo siyang puntahan, no, sa puntod niya, pagtapos mo ritong kausapin siya kahit nasa house ka lang or whatever, wherever you are, no? After, mentioning this person's name or revisiting 'no, yung kanyang face, the look of his or her face, his or her eyes, his or her nose, it's still alive in your memory 'no, and then you feel na parang gumagaan na yung pakiramdam mo. Because this person here is actually also doing movements and actions to make you feel safe and to make you feel na nasa tabi mo pa rin sila. So whatever your journey is, honey, nakikita ko na malalampasan mo 'yan at nakikita ko rito 'no, na kailangan mong gawing inspirasyon 'tong mahal mo sa buhay na ito 'no, dahil, okey, yung lakas mo ay ang kanyang kalakasan din. At kung makikita ka niyang mahina ngayon, hindi ka man niya mababatukan dito 'no, pero mga babes 'no, hindi niya gustong nakikita ka 'no, na nalulungkot ka, na na nahihirapan ka, na hindi ka lumalaban 'no. Show this loved ones of yours that, okay, na hindi mo papatalo 'no, yung laban mo sa buhay. Okay? Prove to them because they're proud of you. Okay? Fighting, okay? This people here loves you. These people here loves you. Okay? That's what I'm clearly seeing. Okay? So, hindi lang talaga sila buhay sa memories mo. They're with you. They're with you. Okay? They're watching you. They're right beside you. So, yeah. Wow. This is so emotional. At first, shuffling pa lang kanina, no, sobrang, I can easily tell na this is something here, like something sad, yet something here that uplifts your spirit. And whatever it is, keep going because that's what they want you to do. Okay? Okay? Fighting! So yeah, these are all the messages I've got right here for you, sweethearts. Alam ko na kaya mo yan. Okay? Kaya mo yan. Okay? Can do it. So thank you so much and sarang hail, love, and light. Annyeong.